Hi, I'm Chris from musicradar.com and we're here on the Thang stand at NAMM 2012. We've got Rev here who's going to give us a little overview of the hardware and make some noises for us. I'll hand over to you, Rev.
All right, yeah, man. Basically, just an overview, quick overview. The Thang is a drum instrument creating production workstation. So if you look at the keys, notice that you have a chromatic keyboard. These are full velocity sensitivity. Look at the back panel. You see that you can run all kinds of interfacing from the back panel. You got SD cards. Each one of these can go up to 32 gigabytes. You got USB A and B ports. You can hang an external hard drive off of it, or you can do a plug-and-play controller, or you can do a connection to your computer where we have a wizard that ships with this for free, where you can update your software. We're constantly updating the operating system, so you can always get the new operating system, plug in new sounds and expansions. You got 2 headphone outputs so that you can have different volumes, separate volumes for 2 people sitting together and working together. And you got a Neutrik input for your sample, and that input has a phantom power preamp. So you can run your large diaphragm condensers and you can really do some serious work on this. It will seamlessly integrate back into a professional environment. All your inputs, outputs are balanced. We want you to be able to go on the go, do your work, and be able to bring it back into the studio and, you know, keep it and actually use it. And you will absolutely go on the go, because look what I can do. I take that AC out and it's still up and running. It'll do that for 3 or 4 hours.
And that's like an internal, like, big battery, or is it on replaceable batteries?
Yes, sir. That's a lithium-ion battery, same kind of deal that you have in a laptop. Basically, essentially, it is a laptop, just different UI. And speaking of the UI, notice that there's no shift keys, there's no functions, there's no second menus. What we did was we reorganized the approach to making music, to make it simpler, to simplify it. The UI facilitates creativity, and it gets out of the way of your productivity, and it gets out of the way of your inspiration.
So, I mean, does it come loaded with some sounds and that kind of stuff right out of the box?
Absolutely.
I mean, because it's aimed at sort of the urban sounds and sort of that sort of cool, cutting-edge stuff, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it's a sampler, so it can be whatever you want it to be. You know, it does come with a ton of sounds, but and they're great hip-hop sounds, they're great electronic music sounds, trip-hop, jungle, dubstep, drum and bass. But on top of that, there's a lot of great acoustic stuff, pianos, strings, exotic stuff, world stuff, udus, tablas, and anytime you hear a sound, it's because we cut it in the studio. We don't go out and find sounds that are on sound packs and repackage them and just keep putting them out. We cut everything brand new. So if you hear string ensemble, it's because we had a string ensemble, violins, violas, cellos, and we cut that. If you hear basses, somebody on a bass was playing it. Trap kits. We got tons of acoustic trap kits. I mean, you can use this thing for electronic music, and definitely that is you know, it's forte, but you can also turn around and do just some beautiful acoustic stuff on it as well.
So let's hear it. Let's hear it in action and see it in action.
Okay, I got some tracks set up already. These are some expansion packs that I already done that I kind of put together, and you can see that you got 16 tracks here, and you can also kind of mix and mash up the tracks as well. So I got this thing started up. This is my 1 track. You see what's already going on. I got something different on the 2nd track. I'm gonna bring that up.
So what you've got there, you're controlling one of the little synth samples by that MIDI keyboard.
Yep,
right?
yep. If I wanted to do something way up here, or I can control it from the front panel, and I can make up.
And the performance piece on it is just phenomenal. Like being a DJ, the scratch. Yeah, I haven't heard that part yet. Yeah, you can scratch it. I got some beats and stuff I'm playing.
And if I wanted to put a vocal in there, I can use that same pitch wheel to pitch the vocal in real time. So I can kind of get a little scratch kind of effect going with it as well. And it's always running through the master effects bus, so I can do this. I can edit my effect. I got all kinds of crazy stuff in here, basic flange, coils. And I can change the way that this pitch wheel works as well. So I can go to, say, my pitch bend mode, set it on global, and now I can pitch the whole track.
So you can use it as a kind of a performance device as well?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a DJ tool as well as it is a production tool.
And these are available now? I can go out and buy one now?
Oh yeah. You can go to Best Buy and you can get it right now, and it's coming soon to Musician's Friend, to Sam Ash, you know, all of the major players.
And what's the retail at?
It's going to retail for $9.99.
Okay. And is it going to come to Europe as well, to it from the UK?
Yeah. We've been opening up European distributors like crazy this weekend. We did so far. I know we got the Netherlands, the UK. Germany, I remember a German distributor, several of them we talked to, Sweden, Australia, and Switzerland, and probably some more that I don't even remember, but we got our CE certification, so you will see us in the European Union within a matter of weeks.
We look very much forward to it. Thank you very much, Rev.
Right on. We do too.